Look, man, these royalties and stuff like that, this is passive income. This is the income that's gonna come even when you stop rapping.
They always said I'm a dreamer, but I never listen. Now we execute the plan, this is all business. Royalties on the way, you can keep the bitches. And the bitches on my dick get no attention.
So what's up? On this episode, I'm gonna be talking about sync licensing and more so YouTube content ID. But sync licensing is more than just from YouTube. Anything from video games, advertisements. But basically, if there's a moving image and your music's being played, then you're owed a royalty. Whether it's a music video for the song, or it's a girl twerking and your music's in the background, or you lay it on there, you're owed a royalty from sync licensing. And you can make money. You can make a lot of money on there, and you're not necessarily like promoting music, like the music isn't the what would I say, the attraction, but you're still owed it. For instance, like this video right here, the intro song right there, I'm purposely putting it right there, so I get royalties. And the way I get royalties from it is because through the YouTube content ID, they identify that that's my song that I distributed through my distributor, and so they calculated everything. So no matter how many times it's reproduced, it's used, it's copied or whatever, you get paid, whether it's the same video or not. And if it's in multiple places or whatever, you're owed that. And you can actually like manipulate it, straight up, like the biggest that I've seen for in my case was like $600 something that month, just from the YouTube content ID, and but it varies, I mean, every month you're gonna get something, but you don't know who's using that song. And for producers, oh, this is a great tool. So there's multiple ways to make money from this, but I'm gonna talk about the two biggest ways or best ways. And one's more so for the producer and one's more so for the songwriter / rapper. Okay, so for producers, I know producers always have arguments within their circle, saying you should only sell exclusives, and you shouldn't do what is the word? There's exclusive rights and then leasing. There you go. That you shouldn't lease beats, which basically means you can sell it multiple times for like $30, or it's smaller. $30 is average, but you can sell it to whoever. No one owns exclusive rights. And the way that the smart thing that a producer should do, now this is key. You know what I'm saying? I wish I made beats, because this is how you do it. Okay, so you like make 10 beats, you get a CD cover, and you make a beat tape. And beat tape is basically a mixtape, but it's beats for producers to display their work. And so what you do is you distribute your beat tape through whoever, CD Baby, DistroKid, TuneCore, whoever you use, and then you you opt in for YouTube content ID. And so after that's done, everything's good. Then so after you distribute your beat tape, then you put the word out there that free download my free beat tape, and let the artist know that you can use your beats on this beat tape and you can profit from it, because people be doing non-profit beats to promote their work, but so the artists don't get paid because they didn't pay for it. But you should let them allow them to profit from it, meaning they're going to make a song off your beat, then they're going to distribute the song, and it's going to go everywhere, Spotify, everywhere, YouTube. And once again, since that's your beat, you're going to get the sync licensing from everybody that uses it. So you got 1,000 rappers who use it in 1,000 songs, then you're getting 1,000, sync licensing royalties. And those things add up, man. I mean, yeah, I guess you can, keep trying to sell, a beat for $300, or $100 or whatever. Or you can just go to sleep and make money in your sleep, because that's what it is. It's basically a passive income that's coming in. That's what it is. That's what royalties are. It is a form of passive income. And I mean, man, producers don't even do that. And a lot of them don't know that. A lot of people don't know none of this shit, you know? And it's crazy to me, though. You know, I just want to put this information out there because, I mean, it's been years that I didn't make any money from this shit. And, you know, the last, you know, year and a half, you know, made an income off this. But that's one way. And honestly, I think that's the best way, you know? So for producers, man, come on, man. I also need y'all to understand that this information that I'm giving you, this game, it isn't on no artistry, you know, side. This isn't the artistry side. This is strictly business. This is strictly to make money, you know? So, you know, if you want to stay true to that or whatever, I mean, yeah, you want to stay true to that, but, you know, if you want, oh, I only want to make exclusives and I only want to, you know, do it the right way, then that's cool. But if you want to make money while doing what you love, then you need to do these things, in my opinion. Like I said, this is for producers, but I'm about to tell y'all how you can do it with rappers, how rappers can benefit from sync licensing, because you can. And it all falls back into the whole, you know, buying exclusive beats or buying lease beats.
You can't lose. It's like you don't give a fuck, you make your own rules. Because I had to do it. I'm tired of the struggle. I'm mad my people got shit when they all hustle. I gotta make a way, I gotta pave the road, and then we can teach each other all X's and O's. I gotta get my grind on, I gotta get my shine on.